When it comes to technical repairs, XL Blades has your back. Our tools are designed to give you the precision, control, and reliability you need for every repair project. For something as delicate as repairing or changing an iPhone battery, here are the must-have XL Blades tools. First, a self-healing mat, the perfect surface to keep your workspace steady and slip-free. Next, the 6-piece precision screwdriver set, engineered with hardened alloy steel shafts and chrome-plated swivel head handles. This compact set includes 4 flathead drivers and 2 Phillips heads, neatly packed in a portable case. It's built for accuracy whether you're fixing electronics, working on crafts, or tackling DIY projects. You'll also need the 4-piece precision tweezer set, with optical centering, slanted, pointed, and flat tips. This versatile kit makes handling small screws or delicate components simple and precise. And finally, the XL Blades hobby knife, perfect for lifting adhesive, prying apart tricky components, or making clean, detailed cuts during your repair. With XL Blades, you're not just repairing. You're working with precision tools built to get the job done right. Because whether it's an iPhone battery or any other technical project, we've got the edge you need.